Hello everyone, this is Tech Rehab, and in today's video we are going to be seeing if the Mac Mini 2018 is still worth it to this day. Make sure to watch the whole video to find out. Let's get into the video. Okay, so the Mac Mini 2018 was originally the last Mac Mini with an Intel CPU, which isn't bad considering they had the cheapest one with an i3 8th Gen processor, up until their best one with an i7 8th Gen 2. Right now, none of these processors are bad. They are pretty usable too, but that doesn't mean that they can handle more heavy tasks just like the M1 and more recent ones that are out. One of the best reasons to buy one, though, is the upgradability on these machines. Actually, you can't upgrade much, but you can upgrade your RAM up to 64 gigabytes, which is a great advantage that helps these Mac Minis 2018 usable to this day. If you want to learn more about this upgrade, I have a video about it, make sure to check it out too. Okay, so based on the Intel i3 Mac Mini 2018 that I have, I can assure you that it's still great for browsing, watching YouTube, doing like schoolwork, and it can also handle some light editing on CapCut. Now for the other Mac Minis with the i5 and the i7 processor. I am pretty sure that they can definitely run better than my base one. And if you pair them with some more RAM, they would be able to handle more heavy tasks like Photoshop and maybe some better editing softwares. If you consider buying one right now, I would advise you to buy at least the Intel i5 one and upgrade it to at least 16 gigabytes of RAM in order to run better. But if you just want a Mac Mini for browsing, YouTube, and generally lighter tasks, the i3 would be no problem. Also, make sure the price range is from $300 or lower for the i3 and $500 and lower for the plain Intel i7 one or maybe an upgraded Intel i5. In conclusion, if you really want an upgradable Mac Mini, you can stick with the Mac Mini 2018. But if you want a more recent one, you should definitely check some of the Mac Minis M1 because they are very cheap and a great value. This was the video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, it would mean a lot, and also comment anything you want to ask or notice. This was Tech Rehab, and I will see you in the next one.